What's up everybody, Rebel Drifter here again with another box sent by our good friends from Zelex, so that's pretty cool. Shout out to Alex. Let me get on my mic, start opening this box and see what kind of cool stuff we have in here this time. There we go. Hopefully the mic is not going to blow up with all these sounds. Alright, as you could have heard with all the crackling of the sides over here, the box is new. It has not been opened before, so that's nice. It doesn't seem to have been checked out at customs. It's a head, of course, because normally we don't get these small packages without having a lady in it. It's probably normally always a bigger package, but you know. Very nicely packed again, so a very big lump of foam here with the punched out area for the head. So I'm going to put that to the side real quick. And then show you guys over here how it looks on the inside of the box. Hopefully you can see that. Very cool, nicely done like I said. So we have the wig over here. I'm going to put that to the side as well. And then we're going to gently grab the head out, if we can. Then I'm going to show you the box one more time with the foam in there. Again, perfectly done if you ask me. And open up the head. It's going to be a smaller unboxing, of course, than unboxing a full lady, but Zelex has already blessed us with the lovely lady we have unboxed a while back. So we're going to gently, I know I should have worn gloves, but I did wash my hands again before touching all of this stuff. And there's a face mask in there and a nose protection. And here we have her. And yeah, she, of course, is bald now, so we need to put on her wig, plop her on the body to see how she looks completely fitted and kitted. So we're going to put her on the blankie over here. I'm going to show you guys real quick that there's a face mask in there as well for protection. Very nice. And then, of course, we have a, I think it's a chin block or a nose block. I think it's a chin block. So also good to see. Zelex really knows how to package everything and make sure that everything is quality checked and comes in neatly and 100% unscathed. Alright, so here we have the honey in question. Alright, here we have our unboxed Zelex honey from a while back. She still looks very good. Also very nice regarding her eyes and her mouth. Working very well, even though it looks a little bit weird with the shade coming in from the light. Very cool design, very beautiful as well. I know the glasses take away from her face, so let's take those off real quick. I think she looks really nice. And yeah, we're gonna swap her head out right now to see how she looks with a different head on her body. Alright, and here she is, completely assembled. Her hair is a little bit staticky from the green screen and from the packing with the plastic and everything. But she looks really nice. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the makeup regarding the lipstick. I always like everything to be a little bit more natural. But you know, everything else, she looks really good. It's a very nice head sculpt. Jaw works flawlessly. Can easily do that with one hand. Putting everything back, pouting her lips. Very easy to do, very nice design. Like I said before, Zelex knows how to make these ladies. And you can go pretty far regarding the mouth and the tongue, which is also very nice. And yeah, just another very nice head sculpt. Nicely done by Zelex. Please head on out to zelexdoll.com to get yours today.